What's up people, how are you all doing? This is Rohan Virdi here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm buying a vintage camera. Few days back I was going to work and I saw this antique shop, so I thought let me just stop by and look what's inside. I went inside and there I saw a lovely old couple. They were selling all antiques and I came across these wonderful cameras, and out of those cameras I saw this one camera. I fell in love with it. I finally decided that I will buy that camera. It is not so much of use for me because it uses a film roll and you have to go develop the film roll to get the pictures out, and now nobody uses those cameras to do such. Here I am. It was raining and just now it stopped. How are you today?
Oh, okay.
So this is the place I was talking about. This is amazing how these people have kept all the stuff. So meet Mr.
Ron Hoover.
And
Dorothy Hoover.
how long you been collecting all these antiques?
We've been in the business for probably 35, 40 years.
Oh, nice. And how long you both have been married?
He'll be 60.
Yeah.
60 years?
Yeah.
Both are quite fit. You've been working out and handling this beautiful shop here. I am so happy that I met you both.
Thank you.
This place is around 150 years old. It's beautiful.
I want to show you a piece of furniture that's 200 years old piece.
That's 200 years old?
200 years old. It's all written on the back, and the people that hand it down to their other
Owners?
owners, and it was had redone in 1980.
How cool.
It's all oak or all of walnut.
So if I want to keep one camera for my collection, which one would you suggest me to keep it?
Just looking between these three.
Yes.
This one here is made by the Germans. This is a Kodak. These are all very similar.
So I'm planning to buy one of these cameras. So I end up buying this camera. This is not bad. So see how this thing works. Isn't that cool? I'm done here for today. I'm gonna go grab some lunch and that should be it for today. I'm gonna leave. Thank you so much.
Okay.
If you like what I did today, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for recent updates. Thank you so much.